Today I'm going to show you a simple, refreshing herbal drink that many people enjoy to naturally support metabolism and digestion. This easy recipe uses common ingredients you can find in your kitchen and takes only a few minutes to prepare. Before we continue, please like this video, comment the next recipe you want us to upload, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who love natural wellness drinks. Let's start with what you'll need. You will need 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, the juice of half a lemon, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of honey if you prefer a touch of sweetness. You can also add green tea leaves for an extra gentle metabolism boost. Ginger is wonderful for its spicy aroma and warm flavor, which gently fills your kitchen as you prepare this drink. Lemon adds a bright, fresh taste that lifts the senses and keeps the drink light. Cinnamon brings a comforting, earthy note and may help balance energy throughout the day. Green tea is a mild boost that many people enjoy as part of their wellness routine. Honey adds a natural sweetness that complements the other ingredients beautifully. Now, let's make the drink. Start by warming 1 cup of water, not boiling, just warm enough to release the flavors. Slowly add the grated ginger, allowing it to infuse and release its gentle spice. Next, sprinkle in the cinnamon and stir carefully, letting the aroma rise. Squeeze in the juice from half a lemon, mixing slowly so it blends evenly. Finally, if you like a sweeter touch, add a teaspoon of honey and stir until fully combined. Take a moment to enjoy the aroma before sipping. For an extra refreshing twist, you can add a few fresh mint leaves or a small pinch of turmeric to enhance the warmth and color. Notice the golden hue of the drink, the inviting steam rising gently, and the combination of aromas that make this more than just a beverage, it's a soothing ritual. Many people enjoy this drink in the morning before breakfast or about 30 minutes before a light workout. You can drink it 3 to 4 times a week as part of a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Remember, no single drink alone causes weight loss, but combined with good nutrition, movement, and consistency, it can support your wellness goals naturally. Take a deep breath, slowly sip your drink, and enjoy this calming moment for yourself. Feel the warmth, the gentle aroma, and the natural flavors that make it enjoyable. Consistency is key, so keep incorporating simple herbal drinks into your routine for long-term benefits. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, healthy, and beginner-friendly herbal drinks. Comment below with the next recipe you want us to feature, like this video, and share it with friends who would love it. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video for another refreshing, natural recipe.